So B, it's not breakfast time.
No, but we are playing with the divine swine again.
We are making some bacon. We got a little special cooking treat that B's gonna throw up for us tonight. We'll let you know as we get going with it, but that's a pretty good start right there.
Everything's better with bacon. So the best part is like my two favorite things combined. Corn, I think it's a vegetable, maybe it's I don't know, they classify it weird, with bacon. But what we're going to do is we're going to take that corn and we're going to cook it in the bacon grease, which is going to just take it to the next level. Bacon infused corn, we'll call it Mexican corn because we will add some Mexican seasonings here. But I mean, you might, if you're going to do it, just get after it. I mean, there's lots of grease, lots of corn to soak it all up. Cook the corn for a little bit, and then we'll add in some other spices and seasonings. Just knocking the frost off. Just knocking the frost off that corn. We're gonna take Johnny's must-have Johnny's. Give it a light dusting. We're going to add some other spices to this here in a minute, but a little bit of Johnny's. Johnny's goes on everything. It's like bacon. Bacon, Johnny's, you add that to anything. Ice cream, whatever. It's all good.
I'm not sure about ice cream, dog. But I ain't never tried it.
Yeah, have you tried it?
I haven't tried it.
Same, dog. Well, there's one other ingredient that always goes in everything. So you got Johnny's, bacon, and if you're any type of a real cook, there's one thing missing, and that's the garlic. What we got going on here is a little bit of garlic puree, because I'm fancy. Puree.
Now, do you
Hold on, pinky up.
I was going to say, do you put your pinky up when you...
Actually, this is just a lazy way of doing it. I think like real people that cook, like they like put it in a blender or something. Just like real people that cook don't do this. To get the lid off, they don't. But we do that.
We're camping. We don't.
You just mix it on in. Oh, that garlic's no joke. And if you can smell it, that means that you probably got enough, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes.
You see, I'm downwind right now.
We may have gotten a little overboard with the corn, but I guarantee it'll find some happy bellies to go into. No Mexican corn is complete without Mexican seasoning. Bought at your local Walmart for I don't even know how much. I was looking for some fancy stuff, but this stuff looks, the Andrew Zimmerman guy, I think I've seen him on TV before, so I'm hoping he's legit.
Oh, it totally looks legit.
It looks legit to me. It says authentic right on it. So
we're going with it.
Throw a little of this on there. One more thing that you're gonna need. Cilantro.
Oh, some cilantro. So silly.
That smell with the seasoning. Let it sweat out a little bit. Let that seasoning work its way into those little cracks and crevices, and then we'll put a little crema.
Not cream, it's crema.
Crema on there just to cool it off if it's a little too hot for some of the people here. I'm gonna be honest, if it's too spicy, pull up your britches and make some magic happen. Come on.
Let's go. Alright.
She's a wrap. That's where it's at right there.
Dude, that is money.
Enough to feed a whole bunch of people, which is the whole goal here. Squirrels are never gonna know what hit them. They're gonna be like, man, we want that group, the Unique Adventurez group. We want them coming back. Feed us some of that good.
Nothing better than the good.
The good.
Not to be confused with pretty.
Yeah. We may elevate that today. We'll see. We'll see the response.
So I'm assuming we are not just having corn tonight.
No. We're gonna do corn. Mexican street corn is what I'm gonna like to call this. I know that's not traditional. And we're gonna bust out with some steak quesadillas. Quesadillas is what Dayton calls them.
Quesadillas.
Shout out to the Diesel. You can't get a better quesadilla. And I'm gonna show you a little trick on how to get them perfectly crispy on the Blackstone. So.
Yeah, buddy. All right.
Give this a little rinse and we'll be back. So what you do is you grab the oil from in the trailer. It's mystery oil. I can tell you it's going to be good though. You don't know, right?
There's oil in there.
There's oil, but we don't know what kind. Even though you got a nice little bacon grease cover, you still want to just throw a little bit of oil down because we're going to put some steak down. So we're going to take that oil and we're just going to spread it all around. So here we got some flank steak. Oh, you can already hear the magic that's about to transpire here. It's all about the sizzle.
Sizzle, sizzle time.
Sizzle, sizzle. You go to a Mexican restaurant, what you looking for? They bring out the quesadillas, what you want? You want that sizzle, that good sizzle, sizzle.
In the food world, that's almost talking dirty right there.
It is talking dirty, there's no question. Ain't no question. Riding dirty, talking dirty. Doing, well, don't do the dirty.
Alright, man, we're going to let this
get happy.
Get happy.
Let it all get happy. These are big old chunks of steak. We're having man meals tonight.
Man quesadillas.
Man quesadillas. Secret key to getting the tortilla perfect when it comes to a quesadilla. I can't even believe it. You can't believe it, but we can't even believe it. It's not butter.
I really can't believe it's not butter though.
Can't believe it.
I can't believe this is going to make the perfect quesadilla.
Perfect quesadilla. Take that little thing off there. Bam, we're going to get right to it. And take the tortilla, give it a nice lot of, this is just love. Love being spread on some tortilla right here.
Spread the love.
Spreading some love. All you people right now all hating on each other out there in the world, you just spread this love around.
And this is what it's all about, man. You're out camping, you're having a good time, you're making some food.
Spread the love. A little bit of, well, what's on a quesadilla? I mean, seriously.
Gotta have some
cheese.
Put some cheese on it.
Can't have too much cheese on a quesadilla. That's why if you're making these, you better have a big old bag. You better have multiple bags because you're going to need it.
You know what they say? It's not easy being cheesy.
It's not easy being cheesy. Dad jokes.
Dad jokes for days.
Dad jokes. You out camping, you're going to get the dad jokes. Dad jokes on point.
On point? No.
You want to know how you know if a dad's joke's on point? The kids always think they aren't on point. That's how you know.
All right, and also make sure if you are liking this awesome cooking content, you're liking the camping vlogs and what we're bringing to that channel, make sure you do something for us. What are we doing?
Give us a like.
Give us
subscribe, something.
Yeah, give us a like on this. Hit a comment below. Let us know what you make on your Blackstone for your epic meals and stuff like that. You know, we're gonna keep doing stuff like this, doing these. Ooh, look, you dripping that steak on there?
Oh, that steak's going on, dog. You can't mess around. I mean, you gotta, the steak and the cheese have to meld together to make some magic.
Heck yeah. This is two items working very well together here.
Oh wait.
Oh what?
There's more.
Oh snap, more cheese.
All right, so just to put this into perspective for you guys, it's 8 ounces of cheese, 2 quesadillas. So
woo!
Get that bag of cheese going.
You may actually have to get that laxative later.
Yeah, this might back you up, but you'll be happy while you get there.
Oh man.
Gonna put a little crown on her.
Now some people would make their quesadillas and just do a half and a flip and a flip.
Nah.
But you're rolling the whole tortilla.
The whole tortilla.
Whole tortilla.
And hopefully, yep. This is where magic is. Woo! That's what it's supposed to look like, people. That's what it's supposed to look like.
That is money.
You don't want none of that non-crispy, half microwave crap that we did in high school. This is where it's at.
You know, we could do that, but I think that'll be one of our other videos we're gonna do. Maybe one of the next couple trips are out. But stay tuned for that. I got a little something for us on one of our next camping trips that we'll do a cooking video on, and it will be amazing. But that's where I'm going to leave that little tease right there.
A little teaser.
You're out camping and you're having this. Shoot, man.
So my boy here just told me a little trick. I usually use the blade, mess up my Blackstone, starts to rust. Then you got to scrape it with a grill brush. Just take your scraper, man. It's already here. You just cut it with that.
I love cutting with that thing.
Yeah, I mean, that works awesome. Cuts right through everything that's inside there.
What's the verdict there, boss?
It's absolutely horrible. I think everybody should give me their food so I can just devour it.
And how are you doing over there, Carolyn?
Much better after it burnt my face off. Much better.
It's very good. Brent did a very good job. Very tasty. It's a little temperature hot. Burned my tongue a couple times, but it's good. Delicious.
Take the corn,
We'll eat it.
put it in the quesadilla.
Corn in quesadilla.
Is it good?
Oh, it's amazing.
Okay. All right, well, time to eat.
Out with the quesadilla.
All right.